Do you want to know if showcasing your product or service is the best way to go for your business? Keep on watching as we discuss one type of sales funnel and find out if it's the right one for your business. This video is a part of the Sales Funnel Training Series by Technic Force, so make sure to subscribe to our channel for other videos on marketing and sales funnels that will definitely help boost your business. Before we begin, hit the thumbs up button and share this video to help us reach more people. Let's go! A live demo sales funnel is a process where a salesperson demonstrates a product or service to a potential customer in real time, with the aim of converting them into a paying customer. The steps in a live demo sales funnel are: number 1, introduction. Greet the potential customer and introduce yourself and the product or service you are demonstrating. Number 2, qualification. Determine if the potential customer has a need for the product or service and if they are a good fit for it. Number 3, need discovery. Ask questions to understand the customer's needs and pain points. Number 4, demonstration. Show the product or service and highlight its key features and benefits. Number 5, handle objections. Address any objections or concerns the customer may have. Number 6, close the sale. Make a clear and compelling offer to the customer and ask for their commitment to purchase. Number 7, follow up. Follow up with the customer after the demo to ensure satisfaction and address any further questions or concerns. A wide range of businesses use live demo sales funnels, including software companies, companies that sell enterprise software, product management tools, or customer relationship management software, technology companies, companies that sell hardware products such as laptops, smartphones, or smart home devices, consulting firms, companies that provide IT consulting, marketing consulting, or financial consulting services, service providers, companies that offer landscaping, cleaning, or home repair services, business-to-business companies, companies that sell industrial products or services to other businesses, e-commerce companies, companies that sell products online such as fashion, beauty, or electronics, healthcare companies, companies that sell medical devices, telemedicine services, or health insurance, education companies, companies that provide online courses, tutoring, or language learning services. And that's it on what a live demo sales funnel is and how it works. But before this video ends, do you want to build your successful online business without breaking a sweat? We have the right software for you. Introducing CloudFunnels. CloudFunnels is an all-in-one platform that can help you build unique funnels, landing pages, memberships, corporate sites, and more in just a few clicks. It is the easiest funnel builder with profit-boosting features you won't find anywhere else. CloudFunnels boasts of its easy-to-use drag-and-drop designer. No complex DNS setup required. No hosting hassles. Save time with 30+ ready-made templates. And make free and paid memberships. You do not require any coding knowledge to use this platform, making it a win over its competitors because it is cost-effective and effortless to use. Integrates with all the major CRMs and autoresponders, and offers many free plugins which will make your work easier and smoother. In short, CloudFunnels is all you need to set up your dream site. Make CloudFunnels your business assistant today. Go to yournextfunnel.in and take advantage of its awesome features. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel so you'll never miss anything from us. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.